My name is Marcia Lefemme, and I'm the president and CEO of Penn Globe. We're an outdoor lighting manufacturer in North Branford, Connecticut. We are the oldest outdoor lighting company in the country, where we manufacture streetlights, poles, accessories, LED retrofit kits, and a variety of custom lighting projects. Here at Penn Globe, it's really important to us that we are a meaningful member of this community. Lighting for the Greater Good is our in-house altruistic program to make ourselves and our resources available to the community. It started with giving money and donations to food pantries of our customers, and it's grown into opportunities to be of physical assistance in building and moving, and we've done so much, and the whole company is behind this. The pride in this company, it can't be understated of how important it is. We're in the final stages of launching a brand new manufacturing training center in Fairhaven, Connecticut. We specifically picked Fairhaven because it has been historically underserved. We'll be meeting the needs of the BIPOC community, ex-offenders, with a particular focus on women. We feel strongly that we can introduce women into well-paying jobs that are economic game changers by training them in the 9 to 2 window when their children are at school. When Match opens its doors, Penn Globe will be both a customer and a trainer for the Match facility. The ultimate goal is to have long-term employment, quality of life changes, and to drive up manufacturing ability here in America as opposed to sending the work out of the country. When someone makes the conscious decision to purchase from Penn Globe, they're making an investment in human-centric approaches to manufacturing, quality, opportunity, training. We're changing lives through manufacturing, and that's something I think everyone should be able to get behind.